Really quick, hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has credibility, and that might help other people not get scammed. Let's go straight to my screen here. This is a quick video about a scam that I saw on Instagram. There are so many crypto scams, investment scams on Instagram that go from Instagram ads to a website to a WhatsApp group chat. And that is always going to be a sure sign that it's a scam. No one is going to run ads and have you go to their WhatsApp group chat to give you investment strategies to, as it says here, turn $50 into $1,000. Some crazy promise that, we're going to promise this to you, it's going to happen. It's just not something that's real, legitimate. It's way too good to be true. If anything seems too good to be true with an online offer, that's a pretty good sign that you should stay away from it. And so, let's see, I did a screen recording. And it goes to a website that's a .cn website, as you can see in the middle of the screen, and that's for China. And that might tell you something right off the bat that this is not going to be something that's going to be legitimate. And this goes to a website here, dts888.cn, says Dennis Trading Strategies, which is kind of a funny name. It's probably something that was translated from Chinese to English, and then they thought maybe this would sound official. Dennis Trading Strategies, like there's a guy named Dennis, and he's going to help you with his financial trading strategies with crypto, your 401k, your IRA, your finance, or something like that. And it's a big scam. And let me hit play on my screen recording here and see what happened next. It's got all these Bitcoins or whatever, and it's got this guy here. Look at this guy. This looks like either a stock photo or maybe he's a real CEO for some company and he, of course, has no involvement with this BS. Or it's like an AI image, it's a fake image. I don't really know. I don't feel like doing a reverse image search because it doesn't really matter. And look at this. About me, Dennis. Dennis has no last name. Like, what is that? I am 56 years old and currently living in Manhattan area of New York City, USA. Oh, yes. Oh, we all know the people who like to live in Manhattan area of New York City, USA. That sounds so legitimate. It's hilarious how they can't even put these scams together well. Like, I feel like people who have a good grasp of the English language would have a much better chance of pulling off scams than people who apparently don't. And it talks about cryptocurrency and Dennis Investment Team, and all this other funny stuff. The most hilarious thing I found about all this is what you're about to see. It says Dennis Trading Strategies, right? So let's click join our group, and it goes to Charles Investment Club, Charles's Investment Club. So it went from Dennis to Charles. Suddenly, the names don't line up. They can't get anything right. These scammers are basically as amateur as you can get. I mean, I don't pull off scams. I've never done any scams, but this is really, really pretty bad work. It's like they were drunk when they put this together, which, scammers, I don't know if they got anybody to go in that chat room. I didn't go in the chat room. I've joined these chat rooms before many times to see what they're doing in there. Of course, they're not going to actually earn you any money. What they're going to do is take your money and you're never going to see it again. And they're going to be claiming in the meantime, oh no, we're investing it. Your money's okay. And you're never going to see your money again. Of course, that's the scam. They take your money, claim that it's being invested, and they don't give it back. And you can't get it back ever. So hope this video was helpful. There are so many of these scams out there. This is not like a unique scam. There are so many scams like these being run in paid advertising on Facebook, Instagram, and elsewhere. Maybe thousands, probably thousands, in fact. And it's hilarious that Facebook and Instagram are allowing these ads to run on their websites through their advertising platforms without checking whether or not the ads that are being created are scams. So they're hosting the scam ad. It goes to a website, and then Meta also owns, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It goes to WhatsApp after that, the group chat. So Meta is hosting 2/3 of this scam, and they don't have any incentive to take it down because I'm just a lowly YouTuber. It's not like Congress or any other big governmental organizations or investigative authorities are telling them to do something about this. They take in the ad money for the Facebook and Instagram ads, and they sit back and until someone with much more authority than me tells them to do a better job of checking their ads. What incentive do they have to stop the money from coming in? So whatever. Very, very typical for Meta to continue allowing these scams in their paid ads. It's really insane. I know. I get comments all the time. People are like, we should sue Meta or something like, good. I'm not doing that, but good luck. They're a pretty big company. And you've seen movies where like big companies have high profile lawyers and you have no chance basically. So whatever. Anyway, this video is just about over with. Hit the like button down below. There's also a thanks button if you want to tap that. It's a heart-shaped symbol with a $sign. That'd be great. And thank you so much for watching.